The Thermoblock espresso machine still enjoys great popularity and is ideal for beginners, as it provides a good taste in the cup. Such espresso machines can brew espresso as soon as 2 minutes after being turned on, but they do not have brewing pressure control. A Thermoblock machine uses the principle of a continuous flow heater. A spiral-shaped tube is integrated into an aluminum block. A heating rod runs along this tube. Cold water is electrically heated by this heating rod on its way through the tube. This means that espresso can be prepared just 2 minutes after the machine is switched on. The advantages of the Thermoblock espresso machine are: a very fast heating time of water. Large amounts of water are hot in a very short time. This type of espresso machine is relatively inexpensive and therefore well suited for beginners. This machine requires very little maintenance and is not very susceptible to limescale, which means that Thermoblock machines need to be cleaned or descaled less frequently. The disadvantages of the Thermoblock machine are: depending on the size of the Thermoblock, fluctuations in temperature can occur, which can burn the coffee. Milk foaming is difficult and only possible to a limited extent, as the machine can only generate a small amount of pressure, whereby the relatively moist steam easily dilutes the milk.